Hey, if your fingers hurt, try this out. This is a finger knuckle massage we used to do before Tai Chi class, and a lot of students with arthritis and general joint pain reported relief. Just tug and massage the top of your finger, and then you can do the sides, gently and slowly at first, but then you can be a little firmer. Just experiment to see what works for you. I think this feels nice because it gives us a stretch most of us never get otherwise. And if you want, you can finish up with some general range of motion, and it might help to do some general bar hanging. Anything where you can grip hard. And then you can try some gentle fingertip push-ups against the wall. Focus on trying to spread the wall with your fingers. Let me know how that works and have a beautiful day, my friend.